Next, let's learn about Browse tool. The Browse tool is a tool that helps you to review your data by quickly connecting to any tool with an output node. Let's drag and drop the Browse tool from the In and Out toolbar. I will bring Browse tool twice and place them nearby the right side of the top filter tool that carries type data. And I will connect the top Browse tool with the data coming out of the T node of the filter tool and the bottom Browse tool with the data coming out of the data cleansing tool. After connecting each tool to the Browse tool, I'll hit Run. I'll click the Browse tool at the bottom and take a look at the configuration pane on the left. You will see a Profile tab has been created. From here, you can quickly check the distribution of data belonging to each column. And just by the look, you can see that the third column, Type column, contains data called copy paste error, delete this line. This would be a case where the data itself passes the data cleansing tool and still remains valid, even though the data itself should not be considered a valid piece of data. In this case, you can open the source Excel file and drop the record directly, or you can try to see if there is any other column properties that you can leverage to remove the record. In this case, you use the filter tool and set your filter criteria to remove empty records. So if you compare the diagnostics of the bottom Browse tool with the top Browse tool, you can see that the record in question is excluded. This concludes our look at the Browse tool. Please follow the instruction below the Browse/select box to complete the assignments.